Hey, what's up, guys? Emmanuel from Kuyu Adventures again. So I'm with Al again. My brother Al. Okay, so we're going down to the last campsite that I had. All right, down in Bradbury. Now, I wanted to talk to you guys about how. Well, if you guys know me from online, right? Facebook, YouTube, and stuff. I'm very much the guy that has an understanding on shelter. All right. Well, I think so. Shelter being the first priority. Protection from the elements. So, like, the funny thing is, like, in the last few weeks of my stay before moving out, I let that all go to shit. Like, it was like I didn't know how to make a shelter anymore, right? And I was trying to work out why that was, because I understand about how a tarp has to have a peak, etc., the rain, the weight of the rain, right? But man, check out my shelter now. It is a piece of shit. Right? It's like, it's terrible. Yeah, it's like, it was like a freaking kid set it up, and like no wonder me and my dogs were sharing a wet blanket, right? During the rain the other week. So we're headed down there now to have a look at my handiwork, my skills, and just try to work out what happened. I personally think it's because that was it for me. Like, I've reached that point of depression, right? So, like, well, that's my excuse anyway. Like, I felt like I had no one else like trying to draw me back into life, and it's like I fade away, and basically that's my excuse. But we'll go down here and have a look and see how terrible my shelter work is. Okay, so we are at my last campsite, right? Before I was graced with a new home. That way. So I didn't show this very well last time, but this is basically my driveway. My footpath to my home. So I lived here for 7 weeks, man. Would you believe it? It's kind of a cool place to live, actually. Alan says, if you say so.
Yeah, man, it's mad.
If you
Wait
say
till you see it, man. It's one of the best. Don't worry about the Hamiltons, mate.
Bro, wipe your feet.
Oh, they're dirtier.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Whoa. Wow, what a mess.
This was like sleeping here in the wet, eh?
So you can see the shelter, right? Look, it was really badly set up. Okay, there's 2 tarps there. They go off into an angle, and it's just all a water catchment system.
Wait, keep in mind, people, I gave this tarp to him and he had it for a month before he actually bloody used the thing, man. So he ran just the rainfly from the actual tent.
Yeah.
For how long before he actually put this up, of me harassing him to bloody put a, and he's done a complete shit job of that as well. So
Thanks, man. Thanks.
you're welcome.
I mean, look at this mess. And like you can see some of the tops, I haven't even used string. I've just like hooked it onto branches and stuff. Jeez. And there's my bank there. My bank has probably got about 20 bucks there.
What bank?
Cans.
Oh, it's got about $2, man. I don't know about this. All this other money you're coming up from.
Something's obviously been here.
Can I show them from this? Show them from this section. Well, this is that bit. So if you need
Pretty good, eh?
drinking water, that's there.
Yes, so it is a proper water catchment system. If there's bushfires, I have plenty water.
Did you know that was all old?
No.
Handmade? Look.
Oh, handmade, yeah.
Yeah.
So guys, I don't know how to better explain it, you know. It's like, I know about shelter making, I understand the principle of it, and etc, etc. It's just, why didn't I, look, oh shit, look at this, man. Why the hell did I just neglect this so badly, so my comfort was so poor, right? And the best way I can explain it is because I was depressed. Huh? Well, it's my excuse. Like I really gave up on everything. All right, so get back with you soon.
All right, you got everything you need for so far?
Yeah, sure do.
Man, the amount of mozzies that are sitting in this thing here.
No, it's ridiculous.
It's insane.
Like pulled up underneath the mats of the water, and they're just growing under there.
All right. You good?
Yep.
All right, let's get this shit out of me. Just salvaging what he can from there.
Hey?
Just talking to the camera. And he's just salvaging what he can from his tent. It's good to see his bag's already got a rip in it. Yeah. The worst thing about Manny at the moment, he always walks like he's at a funeral or a wedding, like he's going down the aisle. Hey, Manny.
How are you, bro?
Good.
Got a bag wrapped around my ears.
Just picking on you. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do.
The lessons learnt living off-grid for 750 days and nights in the wilderness with just my dogs will always keep me grounded. Okay, those lessons I will take to the grave. Being connected to the forest the way I have been gave me a very clear understanding of what kind of individual I am. I've suffered for many years now, ignoring secrets from the past, and by God, I plan to follow through and hold people accountable. All right, so that's me, guys. Okay, I hope you're enjoying the channel. Yeah, next video.